Afternoon class. Today we have to complete exercise 7.5. Before starting exercise, I want to tell you how to add the like fraction. The sum of two or more like fractions can be obtained. Suppose you are given with these two like fractions, 3 by 5 and 1 by 5. You can see here the denominator is same, so these fractions are like. So in first step, what you will do, you will add the numerators. That is 3 plus 1. Add the numerators, retain the denominator. Denominator, as the denominator is common in both the fractions, we'll write it as it is, that is 5. Then how will get the answer? 3 plus 1 is 4 and upon 5. This is your answer. See, 7 by 12 is to be added in 3 by 12. Both are like fractions as the denominator is same. So, first of all, I'll add the numerators. Sum, because I have to find out sum, so I'll add. 7 plus 3 is 10. 10 by 12 is my answer. So your exercise is based on the addition of like fractions or subtraction of like fractions. Let's start it. So your first question is, you have to write the fractions appropriately as addition or subtraction. These figures are given to you. Okay. So you have to write down the fraction for shaded part first. Then you will make left hand side equal to right hand side. So the fraction of first figure is 1 by 5 as one part is shaded here. Out of 5, one part is shaded. And here the fraction will become 2 by 5 as two parts are shaded out of 5. And on the right side it will become 3 parts are shaded here, so 3 by 5. So what sign should I put here? As it is, as how I'll get 3? I'll get 3 when I'll add 1 and 2, then I'll get 3. So here I'll put the sign of plus to add these two fractions. I'll get 3 by 5. Now look at figure B. Here the whole parts are shaded. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total are 5 parts and 5 parts are shaded. So 5 by 5 is the fraction of this figure. And here 3 parts are shaded out of 5. So 3 by 5. And on the right side we have 2 parts shaded. So 2 by 5. How I'll get 2 by 5? If I subtract 3 from 5, I'll get 2. So, I'll put negative sign here. On subtracting these two fractions, I'll get 2 by 5. Look at this figure. The fraction of this figure is 2 by 6. Here it is 3 by 6. And here on the right side, I'll get 5 by 6. So, how I'll get 5? I'll get 5. If I add 2 and 3, I'll get 5. So, here I'll put plus sign to get 5 by 6 as fraction on the right side. Second question is solve. Here the fractions are given and you have to solve them. Now here the fractions given are like almost. Okay. So I have told you the method how to solve. First we will add the numerators and retain the denominator, that is common. So 1 plus 1 and upon 18. 1 plus 1 is 2 upon 18. Now you can reduce this fraction. 2 1s are 2, 2 9s are 18. So 1 by 9 is your answer. B part. Now here 8 by 15 and 3 by 15. As again the fractions are like, as denominators are same. So first of all I'll add the numerators. 8 plus 3 and write denominator as it is, that is 15, common of both the fractions. 8 plus 3 is 11 and upon 15. C part, 7 by 7 minus 5 by 7. Now again here is this negative sign here in between the two fractions. So what I'll subtract 5 from 7. 7 minus 5 upon 7, the denominator which is common in both the fractions. So 7 minus 5 is 2. 2 by 7 is your answer. Here 1 by 22 and 21 by 22. Now again I'll add the numerators first, as the fractions are like. The first step is add the numerators. 1 plus 21 upon 22, the denominator here is 22. So 21 plus 1 is 22 by 22, and if I reduce I'll get 1. 12 by 15 minus 7 by 15. Subtract the numerator. 12 minus 7 upon 15. So 12 minus 7 I'll get 5 upon 15, and if I'll reduce the fraction I'll get 1 by 3. Both the numbers can be reduced by the table of 5. 5 plus 3 and 5 upon 8 plus 3 upon 8. Again the fractions are like. The first step is add the numerators. 5 plus 3 upon 8. So here we'll get 5 plus 3 is 8 by 8, and on reducing I'll get 1. here 1 minus 2 by 3, G part, 1 minus 2 by 3. So here how can I write 1? To make the fractions like, I can write 1 as 3 by 3 minus 2 by 3. So I will subtract this fraction from this. So I can write 1 as 3 by 3 because I want to make the fractions like. Again subtract the numerator and write denominator as it is, 3 minus 2 upon 3, and I'll get 1 by 3. H part, 1 by 4 plus 0 by 4. So simple, 1 by 4 plus 0 by 4, 0 by 4 means 0. So 1 by 4 plus 0 is 1 by 4. Or what I can do, I can solve it like this. Add the numerators, 1 plus 0 upon 4, which will become 1 by 4. Now 3 by 1 minus 12 by 5. Now how can I write 3? Now as I can write 1 as 5 by 5, ठीक है, and I can write 2 as same. अगर 2 minus 12 by 5 हो बेटा, तो I can write 2 as 10 by 5, because if I reduce this I'll get 2. So I can write it as 10 by 5 to make the fractions like. Now I have to write 3. I'll write it as, because in the table of 5, what comes at 3? 5 3s are, that is 15 by 5. I can write this 3 as 15 by 5. 15 by 5 minus 12 by 5. 15 by 5 minus 12 by 5, and I can solve this fraction. Again I have to subtract the numerator, 15 minus 12, denominator will come as it is, and the answer is 3 by 5. Now the question number 3 is, Shubham painted 2 by 3 of the wall space in his room. His sister Madhvi helped and painted 1 by 3 of the wall space. How much did they paint together? शुभम ने अपने रूम का वॉल पेंट किया है 2 by 3 पार्ट. फ्रैक्शन ऑफ वॉल पेंटेड बाय शुभम इज 2 by 3 and fraction of wall painted by Madhvi is 1 by 3. Total painting by both of them. अब कितना पेंट किया दोनों ने? 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3 we have to add, as these fractions are like again. First of all, add the numerator 2 plus 1 and write denominator as it is, which is common, that is 3. So 3 by 3, 2 plus 1 is 3 by 3, and on reducing I'll get 1. So therefore they painted the complete wall. Answer is this. Now fourth question is, fill in the missing fraction. We are going to do this question in the books. Now 7 by 10 minus dash is equals to 3 by 10. See, the fractions are here like all the fractions. So what to be subtracted from 7 to get 3? So I'll write here 4 by 10. If I subtract 4 from 7, I'll get 3 and 10 as it is. Okay. Now what is to be subtracted from this dash means, if I subtract 3 by 21 from this dash, I must get 5 by 21. So what should be the fraction from which 3 by 21 is to be subtracted to get 5 by 21? It will be 8 by 21. This dash minus 3 by 6 is equal to 3 by 6. इसमें से अगर 3 by 6 सब्ट्रैक्ट किया जाए तो आपको 3 by 6 मिल जाए, यानी आपको मेन तो चाहिए 3. किस में से 3 सब्ट्रैक्ट करें? 6 में से. और डिनोमिनेटर में क्या आएगा बेटा? 6, बिकॉज फ्रैक्शंस आर लाइक. नाउ व्हाट इज़ टू बी एडेड टू 5 by 27 टू मेक इट 12 by 27? 5 में कितना ऐड करेंगे कि 12 बनेगा? 7. सो 7 by 27 to be added in 5 by 27 to get 12 by 27. Last question, Javed was given 5 by 7 of a basket of oranges. What fraction of oranges was left in the basket? Now here we are not aware कि how many total mangoes were there in the basket. So let us assume that total mangoes in the basket were 1 complete. That means why we have taken 1? We are assuming that basket is full of oranges. So total is 1. Total oranges in basket is 1. Oranges in basket is 5 by 7 जो आपने जावेद को दिए. Given to oranges given to Javed, that was 5 by 7. Fraction of oranges left. How much is left? Now total में से आपको 5 by 7 को माइनस करना पड़ेगा. Now how can I write 1 here? I can write 1 here to make the fractions like. I can write 1 as 7 by 7 minus 5 by 7. So now these are like fraction as. So first subtract the numerator, that is 7 minus 5 upon 7. 7 minus 5 is 2 by 7. So 2 by 7 oranges was left in the basket. Thank you and have a nice day. Complete your exercise 7.5.